Ladies and gentlemen, happy 5th of July. I don't know why I said happy 5th of July like it's the 4th of July, but it isn't. This is your weather update. Currently driving from South Wales to North Wales once again, and I'm absolutely looking forward to this drive because right now it is clear skies. It was drizzling just a minute ago, which might be a little bit disappointing if you're at the Swansea Air Show. But if you're going to Cardiff to watch Oasis, doesn't matter what the weather is because you're inside in the Principality Stadium anyway. But I absolutely love this little lay-by as you go through Banau Brycheiniog. Got the lake there. Kind of reminds me of the scene from Harry Potter, where Dumbledore gets buried, especially on your way up to Pen y Fan. If you know it, you know it. But that is the last South Wales weather update for a few days, ladies and gents, because I'm going to be staying up in North Wales for a couple of days just because it is absolutely incredible up North Wales. So, hope you have a fantastic weekend. See you soon.